Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Windows 11 without using a Microsoft account. So if you're on this part of the setup wizard and you don't want to use a Microsoft account to sign in, I'm going to show you guys how to create a local account instead. So all you have to do is just select sign in options. So go ahead and left click on that. And then you're going to select offline account. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you're going to select skip for now. And then just enter in your computer username if you want, and then go ahead and select next. So just type in a username here, and then enter in a password if you choose to do so, and then just continue on with the installation wizard. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.